What's up guys, welcome to Cars and Donuts, and today
we're taking the car to the shop
and getting that frame fixed.
And also thank you to all the new subscribers, and we're trying to put up more videos, but between our schedules we can only do it a couple days a week, so we'll try and put out some videos pretty soon, but stay tuned for the new ones.
Stay tuned, like and subscribe. Isn't that what the YouTubers do?
Yeah.
Alright, transition. So before we send it off to the frame shop, we have to remove the airbag module. So we gotta kind of remove the center console to get to it. And you do have to remove it and send it off to someone that knows how to reprogram the little SRS module, because you can't delete the code with just a regular code scanner that plugs into your OBD2. So you have to get it manually reset. Here you go guys, this is it. This is what you need to send the guy to reset the code. So when you're taking the SRS module out, make sure you have this plugged in again, or else you won't be able to turn on the car. Because without this,
It won't sense the key.
yeah, it won't sense the key. So this is where the sensor is. It's got to be plugged in. If it's not plugged in, it won't turn on. And we're back. So we just dropped off the car at the frame shop. Sorry we couldn't get any video of that. It was pretty hectic at that street. So next we're gonna do,
We're gonna swap out all the radiator assembly parts to the new radiator, and also to the condenser.
so we're basically gonna swap out the parts from the old radiator to the new one. So when we get the car back, we'll be ready to swap in, you know,
And hopefully get that car back together again. We go do some donuts.
let's go do some donuts. Easy peasy.
Lemon squeezy. Alright guys, we're about to transfer the old components to the new radiator. As you can see from this, when we got into the accident, a lot of things broke from this, from the radiator fans. So we have those new, and we also have the condenser.
So we took the car on Friday, and today is Tuesday. He called me on Monday saying that he already finished the car. So today we're gonna go pick it up.
We're not towing it this time, we're getting it towed. So it should be a little bit easier. All right, we just picked up the Mustang from the shop. We're getting it towed.
Alright, so we just got it back from the shop.
So as you can see, he unbends this side.
You can see it right here.
He cut out the old piece and welded the new one. He primed it for us. The only thing that we might have to clean up is all that silicone that he put.
Alright guys, so that's it for this video. On the next one we're going to be fixing up the frame rails, putting the radiator in, putting all the fenders and all the bumpers and all that, getting them lined up, and then we're probably gonna go for a little drive.
Alright guys, if you like these videos, like and subscribe. There'll be more videos coming up pretty soon, and stay tuned to see how this turns out.